So this drone will fly. Unfortunately, I can't fly outside because the weather is terrible in the UK at the moment. The box comes into anyway. There's several boxes, control, and anyone who's thinking about getting it, I recommend you get this. Otherwise, you've got to charge it with a battery inside the drone. I don't like that idea. It could catch or something, I guess. It's just me, perhaps. But yeah. So just get this. It comes with a battery and a charger. A couple of quid, I guess. Yeah, actually, it's about 15 pounds. So okay, let's get to the flying in it. Okay. Ah, there we are. Battery low. So yeah, and as you just seen, you crash, she cuts out, and when the battery's on, it's red. So yeah, don't go flying because that. But she might come down crashing. But to be honest, when she's low, she will land most of the time. But that's your own risk, yeah. So okay. Yeah. Arthur man, if you're watching this, thank you, yeah. And I'll see you in the comment section, I guess. Well, yeah.